Hello, everybody.
Listen him. Hi there, everybody. We've just arrived at the hotel, the Crowne Plaza, at John Lennon Airport. Very snazzy.
Very snazzy.
Very snazzy. There's the bed with the lights. I don't know what's happened to that little light. Don't know where the other bit light is, though. See how that's shining and that one's not?
There'll be something somewhere.
So we've got a chair and a little table. And we've got the view of the car park and the street out there. There's a Cineworld straight opposite. And then there's a Burger King over the road. And we've got a McDonald's somewhere, Starbucks. So we're all right for food. So we've got a nice desk here for people doing work on business. And then we've got there's a menu here and it's actually in the table. There's quite a few things on the menu, but I don't think you'll be able to see in this light. All you can see is a reflection of the light. I'll just quickly go down it like this.
What did this place used to be?
And you've got large plates. And then you've got the kids menu here. Oops, I'm a bit drunk. All over the place. It's because I haven't done this video for a long time. So this building's an Art Deco building. It's right next to an old airfield, but I'm not too sure. David will have to Google it. Then we've got a big telly here. And then we've got this cupboard. Let's see what's in it, shall we? And we've got, it's a bit dark. Everything's a bit dark. Because we were an hour and a bit late because there was a crash on the motorway. So you've got a fridge here. You can hardly see it because it's black dark. Not sure what they are. Should we have a look? Oh, sparkling water. That's something I'm not keen on. So they'll get left in there. And you've got some hot chocolate, coffee, biscuits. If David sees them, he'll be nabbing them. And then we've got this kettle. Should we see how clean it looks? Oh, I'm a blur. Why am I blurry? That's better. Let's see. Oop. Yeah, in this sort of light, not a great deal of light. Yeah, it's clean. Clean. So we have a big wardrobe here. All Art Deco stuff. And we've got bathrobes, David. We've got 2 bathrobes. One of them, I thought that was inside out. And I thought, ooh, how is it inside out? 2 bathrobes. You've got a safe. You can hardly see things in here. You've got a safe at the bottom. And you've got an iron, a hairdryer, and an ironing board. So you've got everything you need if you were to stay more than one night. And there's the door. So this is the bathroom. Sure, we'll have a look in the bathroom now. Here we go. Got a bit of a funny smell though. Hello everybody. Big mirror. And then it's a shower over the bath. And 2 towels. So there you have it. That's the room tour done. And I've got cupboards, drawer space down there, but we won't need them. So yeah, we're getting up quite early. The flight's at 6:10, so we'll need to get at the airport for about 3:10. So we'll probably just ring for an Uber to take us. There's David sitting on his throne. Yep. So very nice. The room's very nice, but the bathroom's got a bit of a strange smell. There you have it. That's it for one night. We'll go and have a bit explore now before it gets dark, because we came too late because of the traffic on the motorway. So we'll see you all later in the next video, guys. Bye for now.